Hello everyone, I'm Shrishti Bhatia from SV Classes. Today we will study some never heard, never seen GK facts. Now this video contains some information and contents of the news of which either we were unaware of, जिनके बारे में हमें नहीं पता था, और if we have heard, अगर हमने सुना है, then we know very less information about it. So we will revise some of the important information in this video so that when it comes in an examination then we can score good numbers. But before that, I would again like to remind you to please like, share and subscribe my channel, and you can drop your comments in the comment section so that we may work upon it in the coming videos. So without wasting any more time, let's come to the first slide. That India has been approved as an observer state for the Indian Ocean Commission. Now, for which 5 African Indian Ocean nations? Here are the names: Comoros, Madagascar, Mauritius, Reunion and Seychelles. So these are the 5 African Indian Ocean nations for which India has been observed as the observer state. So this fact is very important, and you can keep it a record for all the coming exams, either it is banking exam, teaching exam or any other competitive exam. Now let's come to the next slide. Union Cabinet has approved the inclusion of Ayush Health and Wellness Center, that is Ayush HWC. Here HWC stands for Health and Wellness Center, as a component of Ayushman Bharat. Under which mission? Under National Ayush Mission. So the name of the abbreviation is also important, NAM, plus the information, that is Ayush HWC, which is now a component of Ayushman Bharat. So again, this was a very important information. Next is researchers who recently reported the discovery of a new virus conceded that the discovery wasn't a big deal, with new viruses being announced every day. Therefore, the researchers have named the discovery Yada Yada virus, that is YYV. So this abbreviation is very important for those viruses which are not harmful to the human community as well as to the environment. So researchers have named as YYV. So this was also a very important information. Let's come to the next slide. That Union Health Minister launched Netscope FAN. This is the abbreviation for Network for Scientific Cooperation for Food Safety and Applied Nutrition. Now what is this? This is a network of research and academic institutions working in the area of food and nutrition. So the name of the abbreviation is important, plus the ministry, that is Union Health Ministry, has launched this a network, that is Netscope FAN. So with this, let's come to the next slide. Now this is very interesting that for the third year in a row, Finland has been placed at the top of the list as the happiest country in the world, with Denmark at second and Switzerland at the third position. Now this Switzerland has pushed Norway down. That's why it has reached third position. Earlier Norway was Switzerland's position, that is Norway was at third position. Now when it comes to India is at 144th rank, which is a very low rank. Last year it was at 140th rank, so now it has reached to this rank. So the rank of India is also important. Let's come to the next slide. That Ministry of Tourism launched Stranded in India portal. The name of the portal is important, to help foreign tourists stuck in various parts of the country due to coronavirus lockdown. This portal contains the helpline numbers and the Ministry of External Affairs control center that will be useful for the tourists. So name of the portal is important, plus the ministry is important, that is Ministry of Tourism. Okay, so with this we have come to the end of the video. We will discuss some more interesting facts and important facts in the next video. So keep tuned to SV Classes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.